Hey, what's going on, YouTube? What a great day. Explosive volatility. Down all the way and then all the way back up. It's crazy. Especially silver. Um, and so we're going to do a weekly review. So what are we looking for? We're looking for, did the price close on its highs, on its lows? Did it go past 50% of the previous candle? Stuff like that. Did it close above its trend? Above support? How is that for wanting to be above 1550 and being for a weekly close at 1553? That's pretty awesome. So we are in the game. We're breaking in the previous lows, and we closed at 1553, above where I wanted to be at 1550. So pretty cool. You can see the bearish retracement, or the bullish retracement, right? It broke out, came all the way back down to support, and just rocketed. And if you think that was cool, wait till it breaks this top here, this flat top at 16. I wrote, I think we'll get to 18, no problem. We'll have a little stop and go at 1765. But this is a reverse head and shoulders pattern, and that is the line it needs to break. And then the previous high is at 16. I don't know what to say, but I wish that I had. I think I need $1,500 to trade the silver futures. One contract. What a ride that would have been. Huge. And then looking at the 5 hour, you can see right here for about 5 hours it came all the way back down to 1520 and shot all the way back up to 1580. Oh my god. What a ride, right? And look on the 60-minute, what did it do? Look at that fancy dancy little hammer. So what would you have done? Closed on a hammer, and then it opened up, or once it broke the previous high, you take a ride. That's it. Easy peasy. Just look for the reversal patterns, reversal candles. 60-minute, we closed, kind of let out some steam at the end there. I think people are profit sharing big time. So there you have it. That's a huge bullish retracement. That is just remarkable. This thing is going to be a monster. I'm really excited. On the monthly, we closed above our previous lows right there, see? So all we need to do is break previous highs. We can see this line up here. Let's see, gold. Gold is on fire still. It broke out of that high flying pennant on a daily. Right here. That high flying pennant broke out, came back down to support. So that is another bullish retracement. On a weekly, it's almost above its previous high. So I guess that's support. 13 is the next hit and run. I believe that we can get to 14 on this thing, no problem. But it's been going up so hard, I don't know if it has any steam to get up that far. But you never know. Copper. This is a futures contract that I can get into for, I think I remember just under $400 or just over $400 per contract. That would be pretty cool. But how's that for wanting to be above our weekly trend for the week from the reverse head and shoulders pattern? It's going to have to do a retracement sometime. Hopefully the retracement stays above our 34 simple moving average. NUGT, this thing was taken off earlier. It was up like 10% or something today. Definitely above support. I think it'll see 80. I mean, 80's right here in the previous lows. So we're looking good. Still bullish. Always look for a bullish retracement though, and then buy back in on support. Tahoe, this thing is going to rocket. Never mind 10. It's going to fly high. I could probably get to 11, breaking the previous lows. That would be awesome. I would like to trade that. That's a nice. That would be a nice breakout right there. And it did close above its trend, so it's ready to break out any minute. Yamaha, breaking in the previous lows, no problem. Look for bullish retracements though. It's kind of flying high and needs to rest. Bullish retracement is the best kind of remedy. Someone mentioned California Resources. This thing just took off. Look at that thing. It's almost the previous lows. So sell into support or sell into resistance. Here's your resistance right here, this double bottom. Probably could see a little rest out of this thing. That would have been a nice ride on that thing. S&P came all the way back to 2005 and backed off, which is these previous highs or previous lows. So it broke in and backed off. So we're in a pattern. Okay, we're back in the old pattern. But I don't think it'll hold up, as all the commodities are going up. Let's see here. So it touched 2000 and backed off. That's a bearish retracement on a monthly. US dollars breaking down. This might be what we asked for on a bearish retracement. It did break into the pattern, but now we're breaking down below our 34. We closed below the 34. Hit the resistance on the 8 and the 13 and backed off. So when it breaks down, let's see if we got last lines of support here at 95. And I think it'll drop all the way down to this monthly about 90, I guess. Here's a meeting line, about 90. I think that's all I got. We got some stories on here we have BlackRock suspends ETF issuance due to surging demand for gold, and apparently IAU gold ETF exchange traded funds have been printing contracts in record amounts to the tune of 542 ounces of gold claims per ounce of deliverable gold. So this is, we're 3 months into the year, and they printed all of this since 2016 started. So they suspended printing any more gold contracts. I mean, these guys are illegitimate. I mean, talk about holding the price down. Just printing contracts. Look how many they printed. Wow, that's a huge. They're parabolic. These people are crazy. Whoever's running things, it's absolutely insane how retarded these people are. So anyways, thank you very much for donations. You guys are awesome. I'm glad that you guys are making some money. I'm going to see about getting about 500 bucks, and I already have a MB trading account, and that's a pennant account. It's not a discount broker. Where the difference is, a discount broker, you put your order in, and then the broker at the brokerage house fills it for you. I know it's kind of insane, but a pennant account is like direct. So, because a lot of times in the 90s, the brokerage accounts, the discount brokers, you would we'd test them. So we'd put an order in on a high flying breakout. We put one in on a discount broker, and then we put one in on a pennant account. Pennant account was filled first, 90% of the time. And then what we found out was if there was a high flying stock, the discount brokers would hold your order and start filling their own. So totally corrupt. It's a fact that discount brokers are not worth their weight in gold, which, you know, obviously they don't have any. So yeah, thank you for your donations. I'm gonna see about raising 500 bucks. Get a copper contract. I want to trade that copper contract. See if I can make 500 into 10,000 within 3 months. I've done it before. That would be pretty cool. But another thing, guys, I don't have any money in the markets, and you know the difference between paper trading and real trading. Always a big emotional attachment to money. The hugest problem with traders is their attachment to money. So what I'm saying is, I might be making all these calls, like here and there, all these good, awesome calls, but I don't have any money or emotions tied to it. So I might be a little bit on the level-headed side when I'm making these calls, but nonetheless, just so you know, I could throw that out there. It's a lot different when you're trading with your own money, that's for sure. So anyways, thanks for all your donations. That was pretty awesome. I greatly appreciate it. I'm going to see about raising 500 bucks, and let me know what's going on out there, and congratulations to everyone that's making some money. Appreciate you guys.